Hello, my name is Andrew White, and I'm going to talk through the current keyword support and some JavaScript API updates in Oasys LS-DYNA environment version 20. In Primer 20, all keywords up to and including LS-DYNA version R13 in volumes 1, 2, and 3 of the keyword manuals are fully supported. Furthermore, additions and modifications to commonly used keywords introduced in R14 are also supported. The default LS-DYNA output version remains as R11, as this is currently the most commonly used. However, this can be changed to earlier or later versions, including R13 and even the latest version R14. The output version can be saved using a preference. Validity checks have been added for all new keywords. Also, warnings are displayed on model checking if the current output version does not support the keywords contained in the model. These output version warnings will also appear on writing. Some JavaScript API enhancements in version 20 that are worth noting include the ability to set the second level element contour settings, specifically parametric coordinates, integration points, minimum strain, and maximum strain. Also, the color of many more entities, including nodal rigid bodies, airbags, and contacts, can be set via the API. New classes have been added for 2 more frequency keywords. Also, support for initial stress and strain keywords has been made more complete by adding classes for initial stress beam, stress solid, strain shell, and strain solid. There are many other JavaScript API updates. Please see the accompanying documentation with the version 20 release for further information. Thank you.